Hello and welcome to FinTech Focus TV. My name is Ian Bailey and we're coming today from the Excel Centre in London, the Pay 360 event, and I'm delighted to be joined by Kamal Hasanov from Guavapay. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Kamal, can you give us a bit of an introduction, who you are and what Guavapay are, please?
Of course. Guavapay is a fintech, innovative payments company that focuses on enabling our customers to have easy, seamless payments locally and internationally, as well as take advantage of all the great products and platforms we have in place. Just to give you an overview, we decided to target not only a single audience, we tried to expand it as much as possible so that all types of clients can take advantage of the products that we are offering and the innovations that we're introducing to the market. That's why we have our MyGuava app for our individual customers, MyGuava Business, which is a web platform for our corporate customers, as well as various solutions for our merchants, which includes a POS terminal, payment gateway, e-com solutions, as well as very swift local and international payments.
Wow, very good. And how long has the business been going for?
The business was initially established in 2017, but you've probably started hearing of us for the last 2 years, just because the first 5 years were heavily invested into building in-house technology. So it was all about a long game and not trying to patch things up and try to initiate our services right away. We spent diligently and methodically 5 years on building a processing center, all the CRMs, internal platforms, apps, web platforms, and other solutions, as well as getting licensed in the UK and other jurisdictions, and becoming principal members of all major payment schemes, as well as direct members of SWIFT, so that the whole suite of technology can be harnessed within the company, which A, allows us to manage it all from the inside, and B, eliminate the unnecessary cost of sales, which allows us to provide better rates, competitive rates to our end users.
Yeah, very good. So that the time spent initially getting that foundation and the systems right, and now it's about growing and promoting it out there. And I mean, look, where we are today, just looking around this room, it's a pretty competitive market out there. There's probably dozens of players in that space. What makes Guavapay different?
Thank you. I totally agree. This is an incredible event with so many great players on the market. And as they say, if you're the smartest man in the room, then you're in the wrong room. So that's why we definitely appreciate the fact that there is so much industry expertise here. But I still feel like Guavapay and our products can provide a very unique solution. And that's all based on what we discussed before, the in-house nature of the technology, which allows us to create a single unified bundle for all of our clients that they can utilize us and have a single point of entry and single relationship management and that communication instead of utilizing 4 or 5 different vendors. So if we look at a merchant that has a physical location as well as an online presence, right? They can get full multi-currency account, corporate cards for their employees, as well as POS terminal and e-com payment gateway, which means they get a bundle deal. It's operationally very efficient, but at the same time, because it's multiple revenue streams for us, we're able to bundle it and create discounts for them. So it's a very good deal from both the operational standpoint as well as the financial.
Very good. So almost that one-stop shop for the customer to make everything. And that, I guess, offering so many different things is going to take quite an intense level of support across those different functions, and there's been obviously a few high-profile cases really recently with support hasn't necessarily been what users thought they were signing up for. What does Guavapay do to support customers once on board?
Absolutely, that's a very good question. We have grown our staff significantly in the last few years, and it's the perfect marriage of technology with the human initiative, right? So that's why we have the technology to talk to and communicate with our end users directly. through 24/7 live chat, both on web and through social media.
Okay.
At the same time, there is a 24/7 hotline, and obviously email support as well. But the teams are constructed in a way, as you mentioned, we have various directions. So we have subject matter experts in specific products so that they help and assist our customers related to that specific product, so that there is that subject matter expertise that comes with it, instead of them being scattered around various products. So we're trying to be very focused on that front.
So rather than generalist support, you have specialists in each area. So yeah, very good, very good. And obviously that within the regulation space, the consumer duty regulation has been fairly hot topic recently, you know, adding that transparency for users. What are Guavapay doing in that world?
Absolutely. It is a very hot topic, and I think fairly so. It is important to make sure that our customers and consumers, that they have a good choice, but at the same time they know what they're signing up for.
Sure.
The way we constructed, even before the consumer duty regulations came out, the way we have constructed our platform and our app is all the fees and commissions are always informed beforehand. So before pressing the button to actually go ahead and green light the transaction, you will always have a pop-up with all the fees, both one-time fees as well as FX fees connected to your payment, so that it's very transparent in that front. And also from our market research of the other competitors that we've had, you see that the direct support is usually hidden. You have to go to FAQ, go through a few hoops before they connect you directly with a representative. In our case, it's right there on the front page, and you can initiate the talk with one click.
Yeah, it sounds fantastic, and I think, for summarizing that, you are client first. This is all about the client, right? Like transparency, service, or absolutely everything there. Magnificent. So the technology there, the foundations are solid. Obviously the unique selling point is there, and how you operate and support. And what's next? What's the plan?
So the plan is to expand in UK. So our growth has been achieved with soft launches of our products, really, without any wide-scale marketing. It was just, they came, they saw, they liked it, right, in a way.
They told their friends, hopefully.
Exactly. It was more on that one. But now we're launching full-scale marketing campaigns, so you will see Guavapay and My Guava products on tubes starting April 1st.
Great, okay.
At the same time, we're working not only with industry experts and industry companies, but also targeting more local communities. So that's local TV channels, local radio channels, where they might not be as aware of all the technological advancements that has been going on through the years, because we're in the same thing. But for them, it might be something new, something interesting, exciting. And that's why, it's the full-scale marketing campaign targeting both wider audience and specific groups.
Okay.
And at the same time, geographic expansion. So we have obtained our licenses in new jurisdictions, which include EU zone, Canada, US. And we'll be further expanding it to other countries around the world, because we want to create a unified, seamless payment system where no matter where you are in the world, you can always use My Guava and either utilize it as a business or as an individual, send it to your loved ones and get the best out of all the innovations that are occurring, because we're at the front of it.
So just the global domination plan then?
That's what global domination is the plan.
Very good.
In a good way.
Yeah, of course, absolutely. Just finally, so before, obviously it sounds like the marketing effort is going to be kicking off fairly soon, and we're going to hear all about you, but just for now, how do we find you?
For individuals, we have a My Guava app available for both Android and Apple users. And for the businesses, just go to myguava/business and go through a quick, seamless onboarding process, which will unlock a huge potential for your business.
Fantastic. Kamal, it's a genuine pleasure to hear about the business. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching.